Where is the cat?
The cat is under the table.
Where is the dog?
The dog is on the sofa.
Where is the book?
The book is in the back.
Where is the ball?
The ball is beside the chair.
Where is the cup?
The cup is on the table.
Where is the boy?
The boy is behind the door.
Where is the girl?
The girl is in front of the blackboard.
Where is the phone?
The phone is on the bed.
Where is the teacher?
The teacher is between the students.
Where is the bird?
The bird is above the tree.
Where is the car?
The car is near the house.
Where is the ball?
The ball is inside the box.
Where is the pencil?
The pencil is on the desk.
Where is the dog?
The dog is outside the house.
Where is the bag?
The bag is under the chair.
Where is the kite?
The kite is over the roof.
Where is the man?
The man is next to the car.
Where is the apple?
The apple is on the plate.
Where is the rabbit?
The rabbit is under the tree.
Where is the picture?
The picture is above the sofa.
Where is the baby?
The baby is in the crib.
Where is the chair?
The chair is behind the table.
Where is the lamp?
The lamp is on the desk.
Where is the clock?
The clock is on the wall.
Where is the student?
The student is in front of the school.
Where is the shoes?
The shoes are under the bed.
Where is the teacher?
The teacher is in the classroom.
Where is the ball?
The ball is near the boy.
Where is the spoon?
The spoon is inside the cup.
Where is the fish?
The fish is under the water.
Where is the bus?
The bus is at the stop.
Where is the boy?
The boy is among the crowd.
Where is the sun?
The sun is above the mountain.
Where is the dog?
The dog is in front of the gate.
Where is the cup?
The cup is near the kettle.
Where is the girl?
The girl is behind the curtain.
Where is the bird?
The bird is on the branch.
Where is the pen?
The pen is between the books.
Where is the baby?
The baby is with the mother.
Where is the bike?
The bike is outside the garage.
Where is the bird?
The bird is in the cage.
Where is the train?
The train is at the station.
Where is the book?
The book is on the shelf.
Where is the boy?
The boy is under the umbrella.
Where is the toy?
The toy is inside the box.
Where is the woman?
The woman is in the kitchen.
Where is the dog?
The dog is at the door.
Where is the teacher?
The teacher is with the students.
Where is the man?
The man is on the bridge.
Where is the flower?
The flower is in the vase.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.